Welcome to Viat Solutions and Consultancy Private Limited, an NRI initiative by a team of established IT professionals having over 50 years of cumulative experience in IT infrastructure, consulting and implementation, business process automation, digital transformation, and organization development. We offer solutions in the areas of business process automation, digital advisory and transformation, e-commerce solutions, cyber security solutions, codeless robotic process automation, IT infrastructure consultancy and services, business continuity and recovery, digital marketing and brand promotion. We offer specialized and tailor-made solutions to retail and distribution, healthcare, financial institutions, education, hospitality, public utility services, manufacturing, and power and energy. Today, digital transformation is an essential component of business strategy. Defined as a continuous improvement process, it allows companies to streamline their business vision from a long-term perspective. Our vast experience in the industry enables us to guide our customers to the right path of digital transformation and enhance their business returns by using the most appropriate transformation tools and concepts. We offer a wide-ranging industry-agnostic cybersecurity solutions for our customers. From a passwordless registration and authentication tool, network resilience monitoring system, email authentication system, and AI/ML-based threat simulator and security awareness tool, we cater to a wide spectrum of intra and internet security solutions. Enrich your business capabilities with our custom-sized web design and development services to meet your business challenges in the internet domain. Break away from the ordinary with a unique custom website. Our custom web builds do not rely on plugin templates, plugins, or existing code. We work on your product from scratch. We wouldn't let your app get lost among hundreds of generic apps released every day. In fact, we ensure to take up the right technology and approach to capture your space in the competitive market. We also provide services in digital marketing and brand promotion. We have a team of technical experts to assess and address end-to-end IT infrastructure support from desktop to enterprise management. We also provide state-of-the-art custom software development solutions for all your intra-business requirements and automation needs, including SAP support and maintenance. For more details about our products and services, you are cordially invited to take a tour of our website. Thank you.